everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is another Halloween video that I have filmed for you guys. It is a tutorial, and this tutorial features some of my favorite brushes from Royal and Langnickel. It features the MŌDA Mythical set. We have the 6-piece Enchanting eye set, as well as the 5-piece Perfecting Pixie kit, and we use all the brushes from both kits. These are super affordable. You can find them at Walmart, or you can go to the info section below. I will leave a link so you can find them there, and don't forget you can save some money if you use my promo code Recycled Stardust. This is an affiliate code, but you guys get to save some money and you get to support me so that I can keep creating awesome videos for you guys. If you aren't already, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to me. I'm always posting some great content up for you guys. Head over to Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Give me a follow over there as well. And guys, don't forget, if you enjoy this video, please be sure to give a like and give me some comments before you leave. So this video, as you can tell by the intro and what I'm wearing, is a Halloween tutorial. Now, I've never done a Scarecrow, and that's kind of funny because I think everybody has like that rite of passage where everybody does a Scarecrow, and doing a Scarecrow is actually really simple, and you don't even need to break the bank when it comes to like actually doing the costume. So I got this hat here at Target in their Halloween costume section for about $8, and all you gotta do is pair it with a sundress that you have left over from the summer, whether it be orange, yellow, brown, white, green, pretty much any color sundress, even with flowers on it, and poof, you are a Scarecrow. So this tutorial is fairly easy to follow. I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's get started. I'm starting this look using the Nix92585 Goddess Glow. This is going to add a nice kind of illuminated, dewy base to my look. I love adding this even when I'm not doing a Halloween look. Now for my face, I'm going to be using the MŌDA Mythical 5-piece Perfecting Pixie kit. I'm going to be using the powder brush, which is perfect for blush, bronze, shimmer, and also to set your makeup. I'm using it with the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in Bronzed. I have moistened my brush slightly, and I'm applying in circular motions to my jawbone, into the hollows of my cheek, and also on my neck and shoulders. This is going to help give a Scarecrow-like base. This is going to give my skin a bit of a bronzed look. As you know, Scarecrows are out in the sun all day, so I figured this would be a perfect way to kind of get that fall bronzed sun-kissed look all about my skin and give more of that hay look. I'm also applying this to my forehead just to add a little bit of depth and to kind of contour just slightly. I love how soft and fluffy this brush is. Whether you're doing a Halloween look or any other look, you'll notice that you'll notice the bristles feel so soft and smooth on the skin, and they blend really effortlessly and they apply very smooth. It's very easy to shear out products, build up products, and it's just the perfect size for all over face and also body application. It really deposits product evenly and smoothly. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the domed shadow brush, which is part of the MŌDA Mythical 6-piece Enchanting eye kit. I love how smoothly and evenly this deposits the shadow. The shadow that I'm using is the Urban Decay. This is one of their Vice palettes, and I'm using the shade Lucky. I'm applying this all over my lids, and you can see that it evenly and smoothly deposits the product with minimal fallout. I love that I do not have to wet the bristles in order for it to pick up the pigment. It's also very easy to blend out product. And I'm going to be using the Smoky Eye brush. The tapered tip really allows to get into detailed areas like the crease, the lash line, and even the lower lash line for that smooth and blended smoky look. Now I'm going to be applying a little bit of glitter to my lower lash line because this is a Glam Scarecrow look. To apply the glitter is Wet n Wild Lash Glue, and the glitter is from LA Splash Cosmetics. I'll be using the pointed liner brush. This is perfect for applying winged liner or cutting your crease, but for today I'm going to be using it to apply glitter to my lower lash line. As I mentioned, this is a Glam Scarecrow look, and what kind of Glam Scarecrow look would this be without a little bit of glitter? I love how easy it is to have precision application for the glitter and the glitter glue. Now to start the details on my Scarecrow nose, and I'm using the angled liner, which is a soft angle brush, and this is from the MŌDA Mythical 5-piece Perfecting Pixie kit. This brush helps to give a defined line and is perfect for creative Halloween looks, doing your brows, or getting that crisp wing liner. It's very good at adding details and precision to any look. The product that I used to create the Scarecrow nose was LA Splash Enchantress Liner. This liner is perfect for blending out, and I love its opacity. I'm using the angled liner brush to both draw on the nose and to fill it in. Now I'm going to be outlining the nose with IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner. I'm also going to be applying the stitches using this liner pen. Also using this pen, I'm going to create the mouth stitches. This is a very simple step to do. You can just draw lines up towards your hollows of your cheek and you fill in the stitches. For my cheeks, I'm going to be using the MŌDA Mythical highlight brush. This is the perfect shape and density for getting a luminous glow. I also feel that it works well when applying a light blush, and the blush that I'm using here is ColourPop Cosmetics Holiday. For my brows, I'm going back in with the angled liner brush, and I'm once again applying Enchantress. I love how easy it was to define and fill in my brows, even though I'm using an unconventional color, using the angled liner from MŌDA. For my faux freckles, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner once again. Now on my Scarecrow nose, I'm going to be using a little bit of the Wet n Wild lash glue, and I'm going to be applying LA Splash's Rosette Crystallized Glitter. I love this chunky glitter and I love how it accentuates the nose. Once again, I'm using the pointed liner brush because I love the precision and application. As you can see, I was able to get in between the stitches on my nose and not mess up any of the lines that I'd already created. To add a little bit of extra contour to my forehead, I'm going in with the eye contour brush. This is a brush that's perfect for blending, sweeping, and contouring. It's typically used on the eye as it is part of the MŌDA Mythical 6-piece Enchanting eye kit, but I love the precision that it's giving for this look, so I'm using this with the Shanae Powder Contour and Highlight Kit, and I'm applying a little bit of one of the contour shades to my forehead just to add a little bit more of that depth to my face. It blends really easily and softly. For my lips, I'm going to be using Absolute New York Perfect Pair Lip Duo. As you can see, this product has both a liner and a lipstick built into it, and I feel like it gives lips the perfect ombre look. Since white liner is very hard to come by, I'm making my own using the Falsy Fan Brush from the MŌDA Mythical 6-piece Enchanting eye kit. This brush allows you to apply mascara with the utmost precision. You can use mascara onto the brush directly or turn any liquid liner into mascara. Simply apply directly to the brush and use to blend false lashes together or apply to the lower lash line like I did. I was able to get the white mascara look using the Falsy Fan Brush. Now one of the last touches I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the eye contour brush and I'm going to be applying Makeup Revolution Ultra Strobe Balm Palette. I'm going to be using the eye contour once again because this fluffy little brush really helps to get that precision when you need it. Though it's intended for the eyes, it works perfectly for applying this cream highlight into the small areas of my face without disturbing the freckles that I've created. This also works on the forehead as well as the chin, so if you're like me and you love a precision highlight look, use this eye brush on your cheeks as well as your forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. This brush is part of the MŌDA Mythical 6-piece Enchanting eye kit.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like more information on any of the products I've used in this video, please head down below. There will be shoppable links to each and every single product that I've used, unless that product is no longer available, and then I won't be able to give you guys a shoppable link. But I'm going to do my best, so check out the information below. There's going to be a lot of information, so if you want to know exactly what brush I used, for what, the liners, the glitters, lipstick, everything, go below. It's right there. As I said in the beginning of this video, if you enjoyed this, please be sure to give me a like. If you aren't already, please be sure to subscribe. Head over to my Instagram, @Recycled Stardust. Give me a follow. I'm always posting food, fashion, flat lays, makeup, you name it. I post everything there. I'm a little bit of a jack of all trades, and this look is going to be there along with my makeup recipe, which is really similar to what I put in the info section here. Basically gives you a little bit of an ingredient list of all the products I use. So this way, if you have a question of like, what's that lipstick? Don't worry. You'll be able to find it. I won't leave you hanging. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.